Hello dear traders, I'm Anna Kasatkina and you're watching the calendar of the latest financial events on Insta TV. On Thursday and Friday, the following macroeconomic statistics will grab traders' attention. On Thursday, Australia will publish the report on the unemployment rate and employment change in June. Analysts expect the number of the employed people to rise at slower pace by 15,300, while the unemployment rate is expected to come at 5.6%. In May, the Australian unemployment rate was at 5.5% on a seasonally adjusted basis. It was the lowest level since February 2013, while experts anticipated no changes. At the same time, the employment jumped by 42,000 jobs versus the expected rise of 9,700. The full employment increased by 52,100. The part-time employment was down by 10,100. The participation rate advanced to 64.9%. Furthermore, on Thursday, the Bank of Japan will announce its interest rate decision for July. Market participants expect that the rate will remain unchanged at -0.1%. At its last meeting, the Japanese central bank maintained status quo, which came in line with analyst expectations. The Bank of Japan's policymakers decided to keep the current policy stance and preserve the assets purchase volume at 80 trillion yen in a vote 7 against 2. According to the accompanying statement, the Japanese economy is returning to moderate growth. Moreover, on July 10th, the Bank of Japan's Governor Haruhiko Kuroda said that he will support the current monetary policy until the inflation target of 2% is reached. On Thursday, traders will absorb one more significant report. The European Central Bank will also present its interest rate decision for July. Markets are calm and anticipate no changes. The rate is likely to stay at 0%. At the previous meeting, the European Central Bank also left the benchmark rate unchanged at the zero level, which has been maintained since March last year. ECB head Mario Draghi said that the interest rates will remain at the current or lower levels for a long period. The same refers to the net assets purchases. The ECB governor thinks that the economy recovers owing to continuous rise in the employment rate. However, most new jobs are of low quality as they are just temporary or part-time vacancies. Besides, Mr. Draghi said that the deflation risks faded away and the uncertainty over the inflation change eased. On top of these events, traders will pay attention to the following data. On Thursday, Australia will unveil the PMI readings. The United Kingdom will deliver the retail sales report. The United States will publish the initial jobless claims data and the Philly Manufacturing Index. On Friday, the United Kingdom will release the report on the public sector net borrowing, and Canada will present the inflation and retail sales data. And this concludes the calendar of the latest financial events prepared for you by Insta TV team. Thank you for watching and see you back soon.